Hi, I'm Jack West, medical oncologist at Swedish Cancer Institute in Seattle, Washington, and also the founder and CEO of Grace. I wanted to talk just briefly about a new format that we'll be using that I think will be more engaging and will be an easier way to get information out to you quickly. And that's what I'm doing now. For years, we've been doing video podcasts, but that's typically been in a format that's more academic, didactic, of having presenters doing PowerPoint presentations that are narrated, and then we put out snippets of that may be 5, 10, 15 minutes, sometimes longer. Instead, what I'd like to do a little more of, and at least as a supplement to the other approach, is shorter, directly in front of the camera discussions like this. And I can talk about interesting cases, new studies that are coming out, impressions of what we consider to be the best practices, and I'm hoping that I'll be able to engage many of my colleagues who have participated in the Grace faculty over the last few years, as well as some other people who I might be able to just reach out to at meetings or in other settings. So we're going to try this, and I hope it's going to work out for all of us as a quick and easy way to reach out that might be a nice change of pace. I'm interested in your feedback, and I'd certainly welcome your suggestions about interesting topics to cover, people to reach out to, any changes you'd like to make. I'm going to try to make my own changes. I'm hoping to lose more weight, but, we'll do what we can. Anyway, you should look for that, and I'm hoping that this will be a nice way to mix it up in addition to some of the other formats that we're using. Thanks, and I hope this is helpful.